मुझे तो कॉफी साथ ही लेके आनी पड़ी मुसाफिर कैफे के लिए, मैं क्या करूं? Hi Vedika, how's it going?
Thank you.
Oh my God. What's up, my
Hello,
co-host?
and welcome. Hello.
Love you, brother. Hi, Maxo.
Good to see you too.
चकदे फटे. How are we? Oh my God. सच्ची में प्यार हो गया इस स्टोरी से, ये कैफे से और आप तीनों से यार, मतलब you look lovely together. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो.
Thank you, Appa. Thank you.
But सच्चा प्यार हमारे लिए सही है, ये किसने कहा है?
Oh wow, that's so deep, Jamie. और यही कहानी आपके लिविंग रूम तक आएगी with this heartwarming romance, मुसाफिर कैफे.
And look at this incredible cast, guys. Give it up for Vikrant Massey, Mahima Makwana, and Vedika Pinto. Vikrant, Musafir Cafe is based on the characters from a book, right? That Divya ji has written. So it's a beautiful story that Terribly Tiny Tales is bringing to us. And it also marks your debut as a producer.
Oh my God!
Wow.
जब पैसे बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं तो क्या करे इंसान? उसके बाद बंदे को प्रोड्यूसर ही बनना पड़ता है ना? क्या प्रॉब्लम? इसको गलती हमारी है नहीं, पैसे बहुत आ गए.
But
Congratulations, buddy. God bless you.
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you,
tell us what made you want to co-produce this project?
What made me co-produce this project, I think, firstly to begin with, yes, you're right, this book is adapted from Musafir Cafe, the book, written by Divya Prakash Dubey ji. और जब ये स्क्रिप्ट मेरे पास आई, and when I read it in one go, and I felt कि इसमें एक्टिंग तो करनी ही करनी है. But अगर प्रोडक्शन की हम बात करें, so I'm actually very, very grateful to Mr. Vijay Subramaniam, who is Terribly Tiny Tales, and Vijay Subramaniam ji, Anuj Gosalia, and Sharanya Rajgopal, who are the creators of our show. And I wanted to produce, Vijay sir has been my mentor. जितने लोग यहाँ पे नहीं जानते हैं, collective artists is Mr. Vijay Subramaniam. So he really pushed me to do this. And I'm so grateful to him, Sharanya, Anuj, everyone for giving me this opportunity. This just felt like the right opportunity actually, to go out there and work with such incredible talent, work with such incredible creators. So yeah, the journey has just begun. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed.
No, of course, and we're going to see many more projects from you. I'm so sure of that.
अब क्रिएटर्स को और पूरी टीम को बुलाने से पहले क्लियरेंस टीम को बुला लेते हैं जरा गाइस. ये मोहब्बत दिखा दें अगर जरा थोड़ी सी.
मन ही कर रहा है कि बैठ जाएं, कॉफी पी लें, एंजॉय करें.
मेरा चल ही रहा है. मेरी तो वैसी कॉफी पेंडिंग थी काफी टाइम से सबके साथ. आज हो गई है. All right, and now let's call the creators behind this enchanting romance. Their name may have tiny in it, पर कहानियों की दुनिया में काफी giants हैं वो. Terribly Tiny Tales now steps into the world of long format storytelling on Netflix.
Right, creator Sharanya Rajgopal couldn't make it here on stage with us.
And Feelings देखना तो पड़ेगा जल्द ही on Netflix. Team, please take the center stage.
Well, this entire trailer that we saw is giving us a very nice, warm, kind of cuddly feeling. I love it. Anuj and Vijay, I have to say, you know what, your stories online, you had such a distinctive voice, Terribly Tiny Tales. I have seen a lot of your stories. I've been a big fan. And now from there to now coming on Netflix, how does this change, this movement? Kaisa lag raha hai aapko? How does it feel for you? And on a personal level, how does it feel?
Thank you so much, firstly, for asking this question, and thank you everyone for being here. मैंने जब Terribly Tiny Tales शुरू करी थी 2013 में, I stumbled upon this tiny quote which said that the universe is not made of atoms, it's made of tiny stories. And there are a series of tiny stories that have led us to this moment. A tiny story when Vijay believed in TTT and said, hey, look, you're meant for the world, and we joined Collective. A tiny story when we met Monica and Tanya, and they said, we need young, hungry, ambitious voices like yours. A tiny moment when our story and our world met Divya Prakash's and we found Musafir Cafe. A tiny moment when Karishma and Shikha believed in us and believed in this story and lived with it until this day. A tiny moment when this man, who had no business believing in a tiny page on Instagram, said, this text is magical. I want to be in it, not just as an actor, but also as a co-producer. A tiny story when these two wonderful girls incredible talent. Absolutely. They're going to blow up the internet with this show. Joined Musafir Cafe, a tiny story when Ruchir Arun took that script and made it what you see today. A tiny moment when Sharanya Rajgopal, who put all these stories, all our worlds together into this insanely beautiful show. She couldn't be here because her mother passed away 7 days ago. But her name is Vijaya, her mother's, and Sharanya. They're both with us in this moment, celebrating this story. Because to every young writer, maker, performer, talent, I just want to say, write that tiny story, make that tiny reel, make that little video, because someday you might just make it big.
Wow, fantastic. Ruchir, I have a question for you. You know, for the audiences here, in case they aren't, you know, hooked already, something from Musafir Cafe that will level up their anticipation. I want to know from you. One line about Musafir Cafe, you know.
So when I met Sharanya, I think almost a year back now, she said that we want to do a love story and before the which ended, I was like, I'm doing it. Because I have, as an audience, also been hungry to see really magical, fun love stories that I have felt missing on screen. And Sharanya wrote a beautiful screenplay out of a very beautiful book, and 3 beautiful actors agreed to work with us. I can't wait for you guys to watch them at play. They are going to steal your heart away. It is, love stories will be back after this show. It's there.
Wow, beautiful.
I want to make an honest confession here. He said, you know, beautiful actors. I mean, of course, I quickly want to, I know Vikrant for a while now, and I love his, you know, the artist side of his. But यहाँ पे मैंने एक अजीब चीज़ notice करी है. Whenever a team comes, थोड़ा सा ना, I don't want to say cold shoulder होता है, but they both were always together, looking at each other. अच्छा लग रहा है. So you know that's a very rare sight. How did you crack that? कैफे कर लेते हो?
First of all, thank you so much everybody for being here. आपका सवाल जो था, I think एक myth है कि 2 female
No,
actors.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
No,
kidding.
but I think it was so lovely and it's so nice to work
Yeah.
with great energies.
Yeah.
And I think that just sums up what Musafir Cafe is. Great energies and a love story that's back after a long time. And yeah, we're just really happy and excited for you guys to see what we've made and experience this beautiful experience that we got to do together. So thank you.
Right. We are also very, very excited to watch it. I can't wait to sit down with my friends and watch it. It feels like that kind of a show. But जब पूरी cast है, पूरी team है, can we have some beautiful pictures with the entire team?